In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew an SSL certificate on Cloudways. If your SSL certificate is close to expiring, it's important to fix it before visitors start seeing security warnings in their browser. On Cloudways, Let's Encrypt certificates usually renew automatically, but things like DNS changes, name server updates, or a proxy service can sometimes interrupt that process. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to manually renew the certificate and make sure automatic renewal is enabled going forward. First, before you renew anything inside Cloudways, do a quick DNS and firewall check. Open your Cloudways application dashboard and go to Access Details. Copy the public IP shown there. Then open your domain provider's DNS settings and confirm that your main A record points to that exact IP address. If you use a proxy service such as Cloudflare, temporarily switch the record from proxied to DNS only. This matters because the certificate authority needs direct access to validate your domain, and an active proxy can sometimes block that check. Once that's verified, go back to Cloudways and open your application dashboard. In the left-hand menu, click SSL Certificate. This section shows the current certificate details, including the issuer, the domains it covers, and the expiration date. Take a moment to review that information so you know exactly what is being renewed. Next, look toward the top right area of the certificate panel and click Renew Certificate. This starts the manual renewal process. Cloudways will run the renewal in the background and attempt to validate the domain right away. Keep the tab open while it works. In most cases, it finishes in under a minute. When it succeeds, you should see a confirmation message, and the expiration date will update with a new 90-day period. After that, check the auto renewal setting just below the certificate details. Make sure it is turned on. When this option is enabled, Cloudways will try to renew the certificate automatically before it expires, which helps you avoid last-minute issues later. If you disabled a proxy earlier, you can now return to your DNS provider and switch it back on. Finally, test everything. Open a new private or incognito browser window and visit your domain. Make sure the site loads correctly. The padlock appears in the address bar and there are no SSL or privacy warnings. Also confirm there are no errors showing inside your Cloudways dashboard. And that's it. You've manually renewed your SSL certificate on Cloudways, confirmed your DNS setup, and secured future renewals with auto renewal enabled. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in